What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel and happy Tuesday. Yes, we're late in the week, but look at this, guys. Look at this. It is raining out there. I don't do this weather. California doesn't do this weather. LA definitely doesn't do this weather because we have had a power outage. We have had our internet so choppy, like, I know you guys are probably like watching me from other states, like, really, Karla, like, really? But it's been bad, guys. It's been so bad. But anyways, we're at CVS. We're gonna be doing the super easy digital deals of the week. We have some good ones, we have some easy ones, which I absolutely love because we can all do them. And we also have the epic beauty event that started this Sunday. If you guys don't know, if you guys like just started couponing, let me tell you guys about beauty bucks. Let's soak in the beautiful memories of beauty bucks, because beauty bucks were when you spend $30 on beauty products such as like hair care, makeup deals, lotion, you would get an extra $3 in extra bucks on top of whatever the promotion was of that week. And it was just like free extra bucks. It just made the deal so much better. They removed that, and now they're doing like these epic beauty events where they have them every so often. I think it's almost like they do it like 2 to 3 times a year. So now we're getting 10% back on beauty products that we spent, and I think the limit of the beauty bucks, I don't know if that's what they're calling it, we're gonna get back the max that you can get is $20. That's better than nothing. We're still gonna get, you know, something free with our regular couponing, because I'm gonna share some hair deals. I'm gonna do them anyways, and I know that that's gonna track for the epic beauty, so it's a win-win. If you guys want to know more, I think you can check it out on the CVS website, or I think they're like promoting it in store and you can like scan barcodes to get more information on that. But like I said, it is a free extra bucks that we're going to be able to use and that we're going to get at the end of April once this event ends. So definitely going to try to push more like hair deals, makeup deals, probably like just the beauty items that qualify for this. I know body wash and deodorant don't, so just know that those don't count. But other than that, let's go into the store. Let's do these deals. We're going to use a 10 off of 70 CRT. And yeah, just remember, guys, these deals that I want to share with you, you don't have to do all of them. You can pick and choose whichever one you want. I am going to pick and choose some of them. I'm not doing all of them. I just like to put the deals out there for you guys so you guys are aware of like the deals that we have and you guys can make them work. Or if you guys have CRTs, they'll be like lower out of pockets for you guys and just stuff like that. So just play around with the deals and do what works for you. Now let's go into the store and let me show you guys what we got. Since we were talking about the epic beauty event, let's start with our hair deals. These are super easy. Now we have the Garnier Whole Blends and we have the Garnier Fructis. They are both on promotion, 2 for $8 this week. And when you buy 2, you're gonna get a $2 extra buck. The Whole Blends is the exact same promotion, and these are 2 different deals. So you can grab 2 Whole Blends and grab 2 Garnier Fructis, and each of these have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon. So super easy breakdown. You're gonna grab the Whole Blends or the Garnier Fructis or both, because like I said, they're 2 different promotions. So they're on sale for $8. We're gonna use the $3 off 2 digital coupon. That'll bring you down to $5. Now if you have a $2 extra buck, go ahead and use that to pay, because that is what we're gonna earn back. So after our $2 extra buck makes it $3 for 2, which is $1.50 each. Now remember, like I said, 2 completely different deals. So you can grab 2 Whole Blends and grab 2 Garnier Fructis and the deal is exactly the same. Next hair deal, and our last hair deal actually, we have the Tres M. These are on sale 2 for $13. And when you buy 2, you're gonna get a $4 extra buck. We have a $4 off 2 digital coupon for these in the CVS app. So now breaking this down, it is gonna be $13 for 2. We're gonna subtract that $4 off 2 digital coupon. That'll bring us to $9. Now if you have a $4 extra buck, go ahead and use that to pay, since that's what we're gonna earn back. So after our extra buck makes it $5 for 2 of these, which is $2.50 each. Next deal, super easy. We have the Nivea lotion. This week when you buy 1, you're gonna get a $3 extra buck. Now online it was showing that the small Nivea, this one is $6.59. It is part of the promotion. I'm gonna go ahead and do this deal myself and just confirm that I earned the extra bucks, so stay tuned till the end. Now we have a $2 off 1 digital coupon for this one. So after our digital coupon, it's gonna leave us to pay $4.59. We're then gonna get $3 back in extra bucks for buying one, making it only $1.50. Next deal, very similar. We have the Vaseline Lip Therapy. It is at $2.19, but we have a $2 off one digital coupon that is attaching to the small one, making this only 19 cents. Moving on to our paper deal, we're gonna be getting some Scott toilet paper. Now let me know, are you guys Team Scott, Team Charmin, Team Cottonelle, Team this, or whatever team toilet paper you are? Because every time I share a deal on this, people are always telling me that this is trash toilet paper, but I really like this one. So this week they are on sale 2 for $20, and when you spend $20, you're gonna get a $5 extra buck. Now we have a $1 digital, so we're gonna be using that $1 digital from the CVS app with grabbing 2 of the packs. That is gonna bring us to $19. So it's $20 for the 2 packs minus our digital, brings us to $19. That is what you're gonna pay if you don't have any extra bucks. But if you have extra bucks, go ahead and roll a $5 extra buck, since that's what we're earning back. That brings us down to $14 for the 2 packs, which is $7 each. Definitely not the greatest deal just by itself like that, but I am going to be pairing this with the purchase CRT, so it'll make it slightly better. Next deal, we have a deal on diapers. This is also similar like the Scott. It's not the greatest deal, but if you have some CRTs or you combine it, it can be a much better deal. So this week they are on promotion. When you buy one, you get one 50% off, and when you spend $20, you're gonna get a $5 extra buck. So we're gonna pick up some Huggies Snug and Dry for $13.49, and then we're gonna grab some Pull-Ups New Leaf. These are $14.99. Now for our Huggies, we have a $2 off one digital coupon, and for our Pull-Ups New Leaf, we also have a $2 off one digital coupon in the CVS app. We're gonna go ahead and break this down. So our Snug and Dry are $13.49, and that is the one that we're gonna get half off. So we're gonna divide it by 2, not 5, Karla. So divided by 2. It is going to be $6.74 for that pack, plus our $14.99 Pull-Ups New Leaf. It's going to bring us to $21.73 for both of these. Then we're going to subtract our $4 in the digital coupons, bringing us down to $17.73. That is what you're going to pay out of pocket if you don't have any extra bucks. But if you have extra bucks, go ahead and roll a $5 extra buck, since that's what we're earning back. After our extra buck applies, makes it $12.73 for our 2 packs, which is $6.36 each. Now I checked, I don't have any rebates, but you can go ahead and check Fetch and check Ibotta to see if you have any. Now we're going to be wrapping up our deals with doing a laundry deal. I did share a scenario for this one already in my shorts, where you spend $30 and you get a $10 extra buck, and I grabbed a big Tide liquid, some Tide Pods, and a small Tide Pods, and it ended up being about less than $15 for the 3 items with the digital coupons and the extra bucks. Now I'm going to show you guys a different scenario with grabbing some Gain. I'm going to grab some Gain Flings. These are $12.99, and we have a $3 off one digital for this one. I am also going to grab some Gain liquid detergent. This one's $5.49, and we have a $1 off one digital coupon for this one. Lastly, I'm going to be grabbing some Dawn Power Wash. I'm actually going to be grabbing 2 of these. The manager is checking in the back to see if they have an extra one. These are $5.99, and for this one we have a $3.99 off of 2 digital coupon. So you might have used this digital coupon already. I still have it available, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this deal because it just matches much better. But if you guys don't have that digital coupon, you can definitely do the first scenario that I showed, where you get the Tide liquid and the Tide Pods. Okay, so we're gonna break this down, but we're gonna ignore this Gain Power Wash that's right here in the middle. I'm still waiting to see if they have another Dawn Power Wash, but I'm just gonna use it. It's just our filler item to fill in for the Dawn. We're gonna break this down. It is going to be $5.99 times 2 for our Dawn Power Wash, plus $12.99 for our Gain Flings, plus $5.49 for our Gain Liquid. That is going to bring us to $30.46. We are going to subtract the $3.99 Dawn coupon, the $3 Gain Flings coupon, and the $1 Gain Liquid detergent coupon. That is going to leave us to pay $22.47. But if you have $10 in extra bucks, go ahead and use that to pay. That is going to bring us down to $12.47 for our 4 items here, which is going to be $3.11 each. Okay, those were all the easy digital deals of the week that I could find. Now I'm gonna go grab my items for my transaction for my 10 off of 70. I think I'm gonna do all the deals except for the Tresemme and the Huggies. So those are the only 2 deals that I'm not doing, but I'm gonna do the laundry, I'm gonna do the paper, I'm gonna do the Garnier and Whole Blends, the Nivea, and then get the Vaseline lip, which is a great, I don't need it as a filler, but I just, it's a good deal. It's only 19 cents for that. So I'm gonna go grab my items and then I'm gonna show you guys everything and then we're gonna break it down. Here are all the items that I'm gonna be grabbing for my transaction. We have the Whole Blends, the Garnier, the Nivea. So we're gonna grab the Gain because they didn't have another Dawn, but the manager said I can just go ahead and grab the Gain and scan the Dawn, which they've done before. So I mean, it's a win. I haven't tried this one, so I'm excited. And because I'm gonna scan 2 of the Dawn, the digital coupon will apply. So here I have all of my items. We're grabbing the Gain, the Scott, and then our little Vaseline lip therapy. We're gonna go ahead and break this down. Now these are all part of the deals that I just shared. I'm just combining it all together to use my 10 off of 70 purchase CRT. So we're gonna add all of this up. It is gonna be $12.99 for our Gain Flings, plus $5.49 for the Gain Liquid, plus $5.99 for our Dawn Power Wash, and we're grabbing 2 of those. Then $2.19 for the Vaseline Lip Therapy, $20 for our Scott toilet paper, plus $8 times 2 for our Garnier and Whole Blends. And lastly, we are gonna add our Nivea, which is $6.59. So that is gonna bring me to $75.24. Now we're gonna subtract our digital coupons. We're gonna start off with our big purchase CRT, the $10 off of 70. That brings us to $65.24. We are then gonna subtract the $3 digital for our Gain, the $1 digital for the Gain Liquid. We're gonna subtract $3.99 for the Dawn Power Wash. We're gonna subtract the $2 for the Vaseline. We're gonna subtract the $1 digital for the Scott. We're gonna subtract $3 for the Whole Blends, $3 for the Garnier Fructis, and then $2 for the Vaseline. So that is gonna be all of our digital coupons. That is gonna bring our subtotal down to $46.25. That is what I'm gonna pay if I don't have extra bucks, but I am gonna earn $22 in extra bucks for all of these, for this whole purchase here because of all the deals combined. So we're getting $5 back for the Scott, $10 back for our laundry deal, $2 for each of the Garnier, the Fructis, and the Whole Blends, $3 back for the Nivea. So that is gonna be a total of $22 in extra bucks that I am going to roll, bringing us down to $24.25 for our entire purchase here, which is definitely a great deal considering we got laundry and toilet paper products. I did do my transaction already and everything went so smooth, except of course yours truly forgot to clip 1 digital coupon. I forgot to clip the $1 off of 1 Scott toilet paper, so it did come out to $1 more, but you can see here all of my digital coupons applied perfectly. We rolled $22.44 in extra bucks. Subtotal was $24.81, and then I earned all those extra bucks right back, including the extra bucks for the Nivea. So that deal is definitely a go. I got it for $1.59 after the digital coupon and the extra bucks. But all right guys, that is going to be all for this video. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down below, and let me know what deals you're looking forward to doing this week. Other than that, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the deals, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.